I tie 100 bowlines in 5 minutes. 99, 100, and we'll do an extra just in case I messed one up at 4:30. Why? Because it's good practice, it's fun, thought it would be a good challenge. Now, maybe some practicality to it I'll show you at the end, but really I think you gotta get a lot of practice in if you want to be fast and efficient and confident with your knots. So, there's a few ways that the bowline is taught. One is the rabbit, right? Where we make this little hole and we bring the rabbit up the hole, around the tree, back down the hole. It works. It's great for beginners to learn it. It's kind of slow. There's, you know, like the one-handed where you kind of do this sort of deal, but then you get your hand stuck and it's kind of, you know, down there. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of it. There's also the snap bowline where you spin and then you grab from underneath, you pull it up, you stick your end through, and now you grab here and then you pull and it kind of snaps over. And that's great too. And that's actually one of my favorites and a practical solution. But this is what I came up with, is where you take the end where you have about 6 inches here in your, you know, pointer and middle finger, and so you have the rest of your fingers available, and you basically you fling it around and you kind of catch with your thumb, come around like this, right? I'll just show you that a little slower. So you catch with the thumb, go down, around, fling this thing around, and now you just have to kind of pass it through, and that's your bowline right there. In case there's any doubters out there, I'm going to have this timer going here. It's a stopwatch. So I'm going to tie 100 times. I'll count it as I do, and when I get to 100, I'll stop and see if I can make it by 5 minutes. All right, so before I start, I'll show you this at real speed and show you that it is an actual bowline, okay? So I'm going to come around like this. I'm going to kind of pinch, swing it around, and pull it through, okay? So when I do this at real speed, it looks like this. Now, I want to prove that is a bowline. No, there's not much of a tail there, but it is tying a bowline, and obviously I could do this with a longer tail as well to tie it fairly quick as well. I came up with this kind of method because when I look at all these things online, kind of showing how to tie a bowline quickly, you know, I see these 5-second bowlines, and it's like, well, I'm trying to do an average of 3 seconds to tie and untie. So I needed to come up with some different things. So when it's over my shoulder here, it's out of the way. I can adjust my feet or with my hand to adjust the tension, and that seems to be the quickest. So here we go. We're going to see if I can do this. I'm going to start with about 6 or 7 inches right here. We'll get the timer going. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh boy. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, no, okay, 17, 18, 19, oh boy, just 20, 21, 22, boy, I gotta do this for 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 34, 35, 36. Oh boy, 37, 38, 39, 40, whoa, 41, 42, getting tired already, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, oh boy, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, cramping up, 71, 72, oh boy, alright, start over, or not over, but 73, 74, oh man, okay, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, oh, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, oh, 91, almost there, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, oh, 98, oh man, 99, 100, and we'll do an extra just in case I messed one up at 430. Woo! Oh, yes! Oh, 430, 100 bowlines. All right. Practicality of using this sort of thing, maybe not the most practical, but you never know. You're in a situation where you've got an impromptu rescue or rappel where you've got to get out of that situation. You get this around your anchor and you do this same sort of deal. You know, you're just whipping around and now you've got your bowline and maybe you can adjust quick and you can do your Yosemite finish out the top there. Now you've got this thing backed up and you're ready to go. I'm gonna save you, or you know, whatever, or you're gonna rappel off. And so I don't know, maybe it'll help, but the real big thing here is it's going to build your confidence in your ability to tie these knots quickly. If you can do something like this, and you don't have to do it this fast by any means, but if you've got a knot down where you can just kind of, you know, whip it together and you've got that thing, I mean, it's not going to be a problem in the moment when you need this thing. So practice harder than what you're going to need in real life, and it's going to be way easier when you really need that knot. As always, thanks again for watching, and I really want to say that I appreciate all my subscribers, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please consider doing so and turning on your notifications. And then comment as well. If you try this, comment. How did you do? You know, I want to hear. Or if maybe you have a way to tie another knot really fast. Also, if you're interested, I have some knot specific or rope and hammock specific t-shirts that I'll put the link to the description. There's other t-shirts as well for the other themes in my channel. And so anyway, those will all be in the description if you're interested. If you are a not nerd, then feel free. I just ordered mine, hasn't come yet, but it says don't be a square with, with a square knot there. And so anyway, check those out. And again, thank you for watching.